and the better ones. I promise to be gentle and patient, to be good, to be a strong and confident. As we face life together, I vow to be by your side. Learn from our mistakes and love our ever-growing and changing versions of ourselves. When we succeed, I'll celebrate with you, and when we struggle, I'll hold you up. I know I've been stubborn at times, and for that, I'm sorry. I vow to improve, pay closer attention, and always choose us, even in times of struggle. No matter what comes our way, even when the sunshine turns into rain, and when the butterflies in our stomachs aren't the same, it will always be for better or for worse. This is my promise to my love, today and for the rest of our lives.
What's so nice?
My love, as we stand here today on our wedding day, my heart is overflowing with gratitude. I can't help but smile, thinking about how everything in life has led us to this moment. For the past 5 years, we have loved and chosen each other through every joy and challenge. And I promise to continue loving you with the same passion and commitment for all the years to come. You've been my greatest blessing, my partner in all things, and the one who knows me better than anyone else ever. I promise to love you not just when life is easy, but also when it gets messy. I vow to cheer you in every victory, stand with you through every challenge, and remind you daily of how much you mean to me. I will be by your side even if things don't go as planned, knowing we'll face it together hand in hand. I vow to never stop learning about you, to discover new things about you with the same excitement as when we first met. I will listen to your words and the silences in between, always seeking to understand the depth of your heart. You are my favorite person, my calm in the chaos, and the reason I look forward to every single day. With God at the center of our marriage, I can't wait to keep building this beautiful, unpredictable, and amazing life with you. I love you.